Where should we go next? Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to Lappford Station. Right leads to the lava quarry. Right leads to the lava quarry. The pig farm is near. Go, go! Good job! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Your engine out. There's nothing left to unwrap. Choose a direction. Right leads to the Great Waterton Station. Forward leads to the Town Square Station. Kenji, we're almost at the Town Square. Left leads to the Town Square Station. We're almost at the Town Square. The passengers have all reached their destination, and thank you very much. Where should we go next? Forward leads to... Forward leads to the Haunted Castle. Left leads to the Haunted Castle. The place Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Right leads to the Boulder. Henry's Tunnel is nearby. Oh no! Looks like the tunnel has collapsed. Can you help piece it all back together? Excellent! Your engine loves your train set. With all the engines. On top of that, you will be able to decorate your train set with 70 engines. Love that! Choose a direction. Left leads to the Great Waterton Station is coming up. Left leads to the Great Waterton. The Great Waterton Station is coming up. Help the passengers get into the carriage. Drag each of them to the... Great! Bust my buffers! Your engine loves your train set! Does your engine have the courage to jump the big bridge? Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make your engine go, go, go! Your engine had such a good time! Where should we go next? Right leads to the Brendam Docks. Let's go! The engines love that. Can you help Cranky the Crane unload our friendly engine and put the special deliveries onto the boat? Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. Good job! Good job! Your engine loves your train set. Choose a direction. Forward leads to the Sup. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We need to send the other engines on their way. Use the wheel to spin the turntable. Just spin the wheel to rotate the turntable. Well done! Super! You helped your engine be really useful. With 75 new toys to... Where should we go next? The rolling bridge is right over there. The boat has to make some important deliveries. Would you wind up the bridge so it can pass? Super! You helped your engine be really useful. Choose a direction. Left leads to the Haunted Castle. Left leads to the Haunted Castle. This adventure box contains a unique engine. The engines love that. Choose a direction. Forward leads to the town square. Right leads to the haunted castle. The McCall farm is coming up. Forward leads to the town square. We're almost at the town square. Right leads to the Crazy Coaster Mountain. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Forward leads to Knapford Station. Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Only the boldest of engines will try Crazy Coaster Mountain. Steer your engine through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep your engine on the tracks. Good job! Excellent! That was very exciting.